I have lived more in my head than I have lived in real life. Most of my suffering comes from the my head. Most of my enjoyment comes from the delusion reality that I have made, which doesn't really exist in real life. I tend to overanalyze events that are happened over and over again. You know, like replaying conversations that are already happened. These are stuck into mind and colliding with each other. I also practice conversations that will probably never happen. I also like to imagine success in my head, which gives me a hit of dopamine and I feel good. I imagine success as a state where I will be in my head, and this literally gives me a feeling of excitement and joy. As thought I have actually got out and achieved that thing. It's like running full simulations and full scenarios that are going to happen in future, but eventually that are not exist. Because of this I feel like real life is secondary to the one I have created in my head, and saying this loud makes me feel like I'm schizophrenic or something like that. But a lot of people are going to relate to this. In your head, you know you can control the outcomes. There is no rejection, there is no embarrassment or something like that. There is no failure. You are kind of, you can get what you want. You can be smarter, you can be creative, and you can be become a confident person. You can sort of detach from like pressure situations because you are assuming it into your head and you are winning, and that's what is so nice about it. And that's why like it like you can easily fall into this trap. You know what I mean? But there is a hidden cost to it. You lose real opportunities because you hesitate too long. Your confidence, it stays the low because you are not getting the real feedback. That is what make a fake dopamine, and so life starts to feel dull, and it is not necessarily that it is. It's just you are not trying to optimize your life. You know, you start identifying as overthinker, and that is the excuse to it, to avoid actual action or actual change. You convince yourself that you are preparing for it, but in reality you are just avoiding it. But for me, I have reached this realization moment that you have imagined the entire phase of your life, and that will actually not lived out. And so you start to look back and you start to notice that how actually you did, and in comparison to what you actually imagine. And that is the issue, feeling like time has been passed but you actually did nothing. And I'm trying to make a change with that. I'm trying to change my visualization from imaginary to more of sort of like a manifestation, where I am trying to putting my energy towards actualizing things and make the things that I have imagined will be real, and work for it and turn it into my real life reality. So that is what you need to do. You need to culminate that. So there is a turning point, right? You have to understand that clarity doesn't come from thinking, it comes from by doing, because you don't actually take actions. Real life is always going to be messier than what you have thought in your head, but that's okay. There is a sort of peace in accepting this. You have to embrace it. Those are my thought, and thanks for watching guys. Subscribe for more videos.